This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make marinara sauce for mozzarella sticks, updated. Start by heating olive oil in a pan, then sauté garlic until fragrant but not brown. Add crushed tomatoes, salt, and a pinch of sugar, then simmer gently to meld flavors. Stir in torn basil near the end and cool slightly before dipping your mozzarella sticks for a perfect, warm coating every time. Gather your ingredients and set them within reach so cooking flows smoothly. Use quality canned whole tomatoes for better texture and flavor than pre-crushed varieties. Keep garlic gentle to avoid bitterness, and reserve basil for finishing to preserve freshness. A quick pinch of sugar balances acidity without making the sauce sweet. This simple mise-en-place saves time and keeps you focused on achieving that classic marinara taste. Heat olive oil over medium-low heat and gently sweat garlic without browning it. Stir in crushed tomatoes, salt, and a pinch of sugar, then lower to a gentle simmer to concentrate flavors and reduce liquid. Simmer uncovered for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring now and then to prevent sticking. Finish by stirring in torn basil and adjust seasoning, then cool slightly so your mozzarella sticks dip without melting instantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.